Hey everyone, and welcome back. In the last part, we used AI to set up our project and install our libraries. But our app isn't doing much yet. In this lesson, we'll dive into the heart of the project, data cleaning and visualization. We'll use our AI assistant, GitHub Copilot, to help us with complex data transformations and plot our first interactive chart. By the end of this part, you'll have a working app that not only loads data, but also makes sense of it. Let's get started. Our sample dataset has a few issues we need to fix. First, the date-time column is a string, but for proper analysis, it needs to be a date-time object. Instead of manually writing this code, let's use GitHub Copilot by simply typing a descriptive comment. We'll also ask it to handle any null values. This is a common and critical data cleaning step. Write a Python function to convert a date-time column in a Pandas data frame to date-time objects and drop any rows with missing values. Next, let's create a new column for the hour of the day. This is a useful feature for our analysis. Again, we'll just write a comment and let Copilot handle the syntax. We want to extract just the hour from the date-time column we just created. Add a new column to the data frame called hour that contains the hour of the day from the date-time column. Now that our data is clean, let's create a chart. Streamlit makes this incredibly easy. We'll use a histogram to visualize the distribution of pickups by hour. Let's use Copilot one more time to help us select the right chart type and syntax. We'll write a comment explaining what we want. Using Streamlit and Pandas, create a bar chart showing the number of pickups per hour using the hour column. A common trap when using AI for data analysis is expecting the tool to know your data structure. Your prompts need to be specific about column names and data types. Another trap is to just plot the raw data without cleaning it first, which often leads to messy, unreadable charts. A key best practice is to chain your data cleaning commands or functions. You can ask Copilot to generate a single function that combines all your data cleaning steps for reusability. And as always, remember to read and understand every line of code Copilot generates. It's not magic, it's a tool. The quiz, coding challenge, and all the code and information from this lesson are available in the description below. They are great ways to practice what you've learned. To quickly recap, we used GitHub Copilot to clean our data, perform transformations, and create a simple yet effective chart for our data analysis app. We've now completed our data analysis app. In our next lesson, we'll shift gears and introduce you to another powerful AI tool, Amazon CodeWhisperer. We'll explore how it differs from other AI assistants and how it can supercharge your coding workflow, starting from the very first character you type. Hope to see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit the like button and share it with a friend. We'd love to read your thoughts in the comments below. And subscribing helps us keep making more content for you.